Kirk Kooks, and welcome back to another episode of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Pizza Wednesday. Not an overly exciting one this week, I'm afraid, but this one is on the list, so we do it, as always. This one is from Season 5, Episode 2, Michelangelo meets Mondo Gecko. Only one topping. Broccoli. So we're going to have a cheese and tomato pizza topped with broccoli. Now, I don't mind broccoli, it's not one of my favourite vegetables, but I eat it. It's not really, I can't say I'm dreading this one, I don't really care. It's going to be fine, I mean, with an octopus. So, I think we can eat anything now, can't we? Do you want some broccoli, dear Loki? So yeah, broccoli pizza. Okay, so the broccoli's all cooked. Pizza dough's ready to be stretched. So, let's dough. Okay, so our broccoli pizza. Bit of tomato sauce as always. Spread that around. Bit of cheese. And some broccoli. This has already been boiled for about 8 minutes. And then we will finish this off in the pizza oven. Just lightly roast it from the heat from the pizza oven. I don't think it matters what we're doing, I mean it's still just going to taste like broccoli. Can't say broccoli is my favourite vegetable. That final coating of a little bit of cheese. And that is our broccoli pizza for Mondo Gecko, ready for the oven. So that is our finished broccoli pizza. Nothing exciting with this one, just plain old broccoli. The guys weren't here when I cooked them and they think I'm tricking them. It's just broccoli. Yeah, a bit of a boring one I'm afraid, just broccoli on a pizza, so knock yourselves out guys.
I don't think I want to.
You don't fancy broccoli on a pizza,
No, I
Jace?
don't. No.
It's not going to have a lot of flavour to it, is it?
And it's my own special recipe.
No.
Oh, tell me this isn't broccoli. Why, it sure is. I call it pizza.
It is what it says on the tin.
Broccoli on a pizza.
Yeah, I won't go crazy on that one.
It's okay.
No, Jace is picking the broccoli off.
Got to eat greens. My mum always taught me you got to eat greens. You don't get dessert unless you eat your
Mind you,
greens.
that was probably farmed on Jason's family farm or something.
Well, Jason has ate his dessert now. For dessert, he gets some more liver and bubblegum pizza.
Oh, lovely!
Yeah, so as expected, just boring broccoli on a pizza. Nah,
Yeah, I won't buy it.
not a lot to say about that one, is there?
Broccoli on a pizza.
No. Well, that's that then. Catch you next time.
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce.
Peanut butter and clams.
Anchovies and bananas.